In this tutorial, we are going to create a more drill of diameter 8. It is a twisted drill used for drilling operation, and let's see how we can create it. First, we will go click on the new part. There are three options available. To create a new part, we simply select on this part option, click it OK, and I will change this unit into millimeter. I will choose the front plane, click it OK, and now I will draw a circular profile of diameter 8. Let's smart dimension it. Its dimension is 15. Now make it 8 mm thick. Okay, zoom fit. Done. Now we will simply extrude this. Click the extrude button, extrude boss base option, and extrude this length to 110 units, or either you can reverse it. This extrude option is not fitting into this work plane, so simply choose or click the zoom to fit option. Now our profile is completed, click it OK. Now this is done. Now we will create a helix on this profile. To create a helix profile, select this face, sketch it, and convert it into entities. These entities is converted, and these circular entities is required to create a circular helix. Go to the feature, click the circular helix profile. It is okay, done. Now we will create a 1 revolution, 0 degree start, or 65 mm. This is the pitch. Click it OK, done. Now we will choose the top plane, go to the feature, and go to the sketch portion and click on the 3D options. Done. Make it normal, zoom it by scrolling the scroll button of the mouse in backward direction. Now we will add some tangent, click on option 2, and before doing this, now I will convert this into entities. This is converted into entities. Now we will add some tangent, so the sweep cutout profile will come out, otherwise it will become a circular. Now press the escape button to come out this. You can make this of any dimension and exit the sketch. Now our sketch is complete. Now choose this profile face, make the sketch option, make it normal. Now we will draw a circle for creating a flute. Click this button, and now make a circle of dimension 6 mm. Click it OK. Now our sketch is complete. Now go to the feature and choose the swept cutout option, reduce it. Profile is already selected. Now we will give the guide or circular path. We can select this circular path. It is showing how the swept cut will be take place. Cutout will be take place. Okay, now this is the flute. Done. Now what we are going to do, we will create a pattern of this. We will create 3 patterns. Go to the option linear pattern, choose the circular pattern options. Done. Now we are going to make circular pattern about the circular profile is selected, and what is there are 3 circular pattern. Clear the selection. Now we will choose the what we want to cut out. We want circular cutout of number 3, equal spacing. Click it OK. Yes, you can see that flute is perfectly made, and now we will hide this helix. Hide. Choose the top plane and make it normal. We will draw the profile of the twisted drill. In the top plane, make the sketch, go to the sketch entities, draw a line, a central line starting from here to here. You can and draw the simple profile, revolve cutout profile, about which we will cut out this material. And go to the smart dimension, just make an angle of 60-degree cutout, 60 degree. This twisted drill will be of 120-degree angle. Click it, OK, done. Now go to the feature, select the revolve cutout. Sketch is currently open. OK, I forgot it. Done. Close. Swept cutout option. This is taken place. Now what we are going to do, choose this front plane, top plane, sketch it normal, make it normal. Now draw a center line from the top. Just 2 minutes. Yes, done. From here to here, it's a center line. Click it, OK. Now we will draw a corner rectangle from here to here. Now we will add some dimensions, and this dimension between cutout should be, just cancel it. I don't want this dimension. Just click the button and press the mouse button, left mouse button, and press the delete button. Choose the smart option, press this line and select this line. Both lines are selected, done. And the dimension in between these two lines should be 0.5 mm cutout. OK, done. Now we are going to cut out this. Go to the feature, revolve cut. You will see that the center line is automatically selected, 360-degree, done. This is done. Now we will add some dimensions. Name of the twisted drill. Go to the, choose any plane, like I will choose the top plane, make it normal, and go to the top plane, click on the sketch button, draw a center line from this. The text will be made as per the first point. You will click on it. As you click on the first point here, the text will start from here. If we start our construction line from this point, it will start from here. It up to you. Curve, it is asking for the curve, just click on this option and now add some text. We were making a SK drill 8.0 mm. This is done. Click it, OK. Now what we are going to do, now we will go to the feature, curve and split line. What it is, this is asking for the split line. Sketch is already selected. Now we want to split this, so click the face. I want the projection single face. Where this projection is going, you can see that it is going in the downward direction, but I want in upward direction. Reverse it, click it, OK, and done. This, you can see this. Yes, projection is made. It's a very nice projection. Make it normal, isometric, anything. Okay, you can see this. Now we will add some color. We will choose this circular pattern and shift cut out and go to the appearance section. Click on the, I would like to add this. Either I can add copper or brass. I think copper is suitable. Polish copper. This is polish copper. Now I will add appearance to the extruded base boss. Select this and go to the appearance and go to the steel or chrome. I will use the chrome plate. Select it. or either can go to the steel appearance to the extruded base boss. This is all selected. Click on this option, go to the appearance, polish. Now this is all done. We have made the skid reel of dimension. This. Now you will see that this is appearing quite awkward. You can also manage it. Just click the appearance color. Just a minute. You can click either here. Multiple color options will be available. You can choose. I will add a yellow color to this S. I don't want this. I think something happened wrong, but it's okay, don't worry about it. This is all done. Now I will save this. Go to the feature, file, save it. This is our twisted drill. TWISTD twisted drill M 8.0 SLDPRT, save it. This is the extension for solid part in SolidWorks. This is all done.